And remember, all exclusives coming to India Today, and this one is India Today accessing Samuel Miranda's statement. Samuel Miranda is the former house manager. This statement has been officially submitted to the agencies, is now available with India Today on 14th June. Siddharth Pithani, this is as per the statement, is what I'm telling you. On 14th June, Siddharth Pithani called Samuel Miranda at 11:57 a.m. to inquire if Samuel had Sushant's bedroom keys, as Sushant was not opening the door. Samuel then told him Sushant could be asleep. Siddharth Pithani again calls him after some time and tells Samuel that he is not opening the door consistently, and Siddharth had informed Beetu that is when to come at the Mount Blanc apartment, and she was on the way. Samuel asked Siddharth if he should also come there. That is when he is told to come to the residence. After some time, Dipesh Sawant, a staffer, calls and informs Samuel Miranda that Sushant has committed suicide by hanging. After hearing that, Samuel Miranda immediately reaches the Mount Blanc apartment. And getting us those details is my colleague Divyesh Singh. Divyesh, this is big because this breaks down in many ways what Siddharth Pithani also has been saying, that about they did try to call. But was Samuel Miranda the first to reach? What are you picking up on his defense as a statement?
Pooja, Samuel Miranda has been named as an accused in this case by the CBI, by the Enforcement Directorate, by the Patna Police. He has been named as an accused. Also, the Narcotics Control Bureau FIR names Samuel Miranda as one of the accused persons, along with Riya Chakrabarti and Shruti Modi. Samuel Miranda was working as the house manager for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Okay.
He was taking care of all the chores, all the household chores. He was arranging everything. And here, in this detailed statement that is given to agencies like Mumbai Police, the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI, he has revealed what actually happened in the past 1 year. Then since he started working with Sushant Singh Rajput, he has shared that while staying at Capri Heights residence, Sushant would feel that the house was haunted. On various occasions, he would come out of his room, start chanting mantras, would hug the God Hanuman's idol and take the idol along with him inside the room. He's also shared that Sushant on many occasions was worried because there was a very low source of income. There was not much work with him, and he would be worried on how he could arrange, how he could manage his expenditure. He had also called the chartered accountant Sandeep Sridhar and his lawyer Priyanka Khimani to discuss on what amount of money did he have with him and how long could he could survive with that amount of money. Siddharth Pithani also says that Riya had been taking care of him. Riya had been with him at the Waterstones Club also. Riya had been with him when he was hospitalized at the Hinduja Hospital in Khar for 4 days in the month of December. Sushant Singh Rajput was hospitalized for 4 days in the month of December. That is what Samuel Miranda has told in his statement. He has revealed this in his statement on June 14th.
So, Divyesh, let's understand this. How does this now add further to this case? Because we've had Siddharth Pithani's statement, we've had the other statements as well. Now that he's mentioned it, does that in many ways seem similar? Is there inconsistency? Do you think this is precisely what they have maintained since day one?
Well, this is what Samuel Miranda has told agencies. This is his statement to the agencies.
Yes.
One more important point I would like to ask, I would like to say over here, that is that on 10th of June, Sushant had called Samuel Miranda. Though he was sleeping, he couldn't answer. But after that, Dipesh Sawant, who was the houseboy, he called up Samuel Miranda and told him that Sushant wanted to sell all his belongings that were there at the Pamna farmhouse. And earlier, before that, in the month of May also, Sushant and Riya had spoken to Samuel Miranda, where they talked about terminating the lease of the Pavna farmhouse. Remember, they were paying around 26.5 lakh rupees
that is a big statement,
per year as a rent for that farmhouse. And Sushant was worried about the expenses, and that is why on 10th of June also Dipesh Sawant contacted Samuel and told him that we need to sell everything. We need to sell everything that is there at the Pavna farmhouse. But after which Sushant went to Mount Blanc. He was called at Mount Blanc when Sushant's sister Meetu was also
All this
there.
coming
And
from
they spoke
Samuel
to him.
Miranda.
They asked about terminating the
Divyesh,
lease.
for the benefit of our viewer who's listening, is it fair that all of these revelations, if made by the late actor, was coming to the house manager? So the house manager was well within his responsibilities and duties to be discussing if the properties had to be sold off.
Yes, Samuel Miranda. This is Samuel Miranda's official statement that we are reading out over here. He has given this same statement to agencies. Here, he talks about, let me read it out, Pooja, 1 second.
Yes, please.
On 11th of June 2020 at around 8:30 a.m. in the morning, Sushant called Samuel, but he couldn't answer as he was sleeping. At 10:30 a.m., Dipesh Sawant called Samuel and told him that they wanted to give the dogs at Pavna farmhouse for adoption and wanted to sell all the belongings which were there at the farmhouse. Dipesh asked Samuel for help and asked if he could come at Mount Blanc. Then Samuel went to Mount Blanc residence on June 12th in morning at around 11 a.m. Ria wasn't there, but Sushant's sister Meetu was there. Samuel told Sushant because of lockdown, selling all the things at Pavna was difficult. Meetu then took the farmhouse's owner Samtani's number from Samuel. Also, on June 14th, Siddharth Pithani called Samuel at 11:57 to inquire if Samuel had Sushant's bedroom keys, as Sushant was not opening the door. Samuel told him that Sushant could be asleep. Siddharth again called after some time and told Samuel that he wasn't opening the door despite repeated knocks and calls. Siddharth had informed Meetu to come at Mount Blanc and she was on the way. Samuel then asked Siddharth if he should also come there. Siddharth told Samuel he will tell him on when to come. After some time, Dipesh called and informed Samuel that Sushant had committed suicide by hanging. After hearing that hearing about the suicide, Samuel went to the Mount Blanc apartment.
What do you make of this, Divyesh? Yes, because you've been tracking all the statements. And here at India Today, I just want to reiterate, we are not into conjectures. These are official statements that we are putting out so we can try and put them together and understand for the viewer what precisely is happening. What do you make of this statement, Divyesh? Because it seems Siddharth Pithani had a similar statement to give. Also, all other eyewitnesses are saying they couldn't open the door, locksmith was called. Do you think this is Samuel Miranda trying to evade any of conjectures that could be put on him? Or he's just telling him what he heard on 14th June?
Oh yes, Pooja, we cannot say what Samuel Miranda is hiding or whatever, whatever other facts. He claims that these are the facts. This is in knowledge and this statement is in black and white. So we have access to this statement and this is what Samuel Miranda has been telling the agencies, each and every agency. This is what he told Mumbai Police. This is the same thing that he has told Enforcement Directorate. But now there's a new angle to it. There's a chat between Ria and Samuel talking about buying weed. And also Samuel is saying that stock is over.
Correct.
So now the Narcotics Control Bureau and CBI may again grill Samuel Miranda on the drug angle because the drug part is missing over here. He has not told the agencies earlier about the drug and he felt that it was not relevant. But now he could be probed and statements on the drug angle could be recorded by the Narcotics Control Bureau and the Central Bureau of Investigation as well. Pooja?
I just want to quickly ask you another question here, Divyesh, that the selling of properties, wanting to give up the career, do you think that could now become an important dimension to the investigation? And when was this? Has he referred to a time period or when was he suggesting this?
Samuel in his statement says that in month of January, Siddharth Pithani was called by Sushant, Dipesh Sawant was called back to work and Sushant had then announced that Nirav and Keshav will be shifting with him to Pavna farmhouse. He was leaving work and he was going there to the Pavna farmhouse. That is what Sushant had told him. Also, he talks about what had happened, what were the actors' plans. But in the second week of January, Sushant went to Chandigarh with his sister.
Yes.
He was going to Delhi with his sister, Meetu, and he was going to stay there for quite some time. But when he reached there, Sushant called up Riya. This is what Samuel is telling in his statement. Samuel called up Riya and told her that he was coming back within a day itself. Riya asked him to stay there for a few days, but Sushant told Riya that he was feeling good, he
Yes.
was feeling fine now, and that is why he wanted to come back.
Okay, Divyesh, stay on with me.
There are some past
because
instances also
because you're
where,
now mentioning
Samuel-
about Riya Chakrabarti as well, and we want
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.